What's up, guys? Hey guys, welcome back to Baked Foods. Today, hey. The video everybody's been waiting for. Seafood pasta.
Is that what everybody's been waiting for?
Yeah.
I thought everyone was waiting for thinly sliced potatoes.
Oh.
If I could taste right now. Wow. Now that's what you expect from a thinly sliced potato. Not at all.
I'm gonna try this corn here.
Pretty good.
Phenomenal.
What up?
But you can't beat a Christmas Scotch ale. Just a good, real gross flavor.
Probably out of date there.
It's on clearance.
It's 7.5%, so it gets you kind of lit there. So nothing like getting you in the spirits like a good old Christmas ale.
Oh, the date on there is 11/01/18.
Well, yeah, I'd say she's a little far gone there, bud.
That's a brew date, though, right there. That's pretty good still.
I went 3 beers.
Alright.
Ever get an untrimmed tri-tip?
No, get an untrimmed.
And leave the trimmed, or
Don't get it trimmed.
yeah, that's what.
Do not.
Don't ever get a trimmed tri-tip. Make sure it's untrimmed.
Alright.
Been another segment from Careless Cooking with Jake.
Alright.
Wish you could smell that though.
Oh, can you smell it through the camera? Tell me if you can smash that like button if you can smell it through the camera, because man, that smells good. Smooth side here and just
Pork.
What do you call Wagyu the next day? Wag poo!
we may have had a few beers. Never put onion in there.
Oh, no!
I'm kind of old. I've had a few.
A few beers or a few tri-tip?
Both.
What do we get? What's our side? Charro
One
beans.
potato each.
Oh, charro beans. Where they at?
Oh, yeah. Where they at?
We got beans. You boys.
You got an extra breast there?
What?
What?
This juice is cooked.
I'm eating bugs. Oh, hurry up.
What you see here is a rotisserie summer sausage. Drunk and at the lake. We had all this charcoal left from the chicken, and
We gotta do something with it.
Gotta.
Just saying, you can't waste the charcoal.
what do you think of this, Pat?
The moth or the chicken?
Which moth? This guy? How do you like the chicken moth?
Part.
Is that good?
Does it? Yeah.
Alright. Alright.
Did you get that on tape?
It's not ready.
I didn't see any of that.
Really?
Alright, do it again.
Okay, that time doesn't count because see, it's still not ready. That ain't ready.
That sketty ain't ready. Let us know what you think in the comments section below.
Also, let us know if we should keep the hey guys, because you know.
That could be like our thing. Could that be like our nickname? you-
grab a baby spoon. Perfect.
That's the biggest spoon he's got in his house.
Biggest spoon I have. And it's salt. Quite a bit of salt.
No, we measured it. It is 2,000 pounds of salt. He likes it.
Huh?
Okay.
And scene.
I'm gonna Taco John's after this.
What am I still eating?
Bendy spoon, you know.
Mind blown.